Guys, today I'm showing you how to change voice center in Murf AI. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our account to help us post more daily tutorials and videos. Now log into your Murf AI account and open your project. And here you have the text to generate your AI voice. You can select the pitch, percentage, the speed, you can add the tools. And here we have this button where it says Ethan. This is where you change your AI voice jungle. Here I am choosing a male voiceover, but you can click on this and select other male or female voices. But there is too much paid AI voices, so make sure you choose one that is free. Or if you have a pro account, don't hesitate, choose the AI voice that suits your needs. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to subscribe, and just leave a comment.